Remote work offers clear strategic advantages. In this video, I'll share 4 facts about remote working that will help you make smarter decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and flourish outside of the traditional office environment. Let's dive in and enjoy. Well, here's something companies starting to realize that some still miss. Remote work and flexibility has become a competitive advantage for the employees, not just a simple perk that you can give them or not. In a world where top talent can pick where they want to work, the competitive advantage of offering flexibility is unbeatable, because this will decide whether you can attract and keep the people that are actually there to improve your business. This is not about cutting costs or downsizing the office space. This is about showing trust towards your employees. Employees who feel trusted are more motivated, more likely to give good results and to retain within your company. And let's face it, if you are not offering flexibility, your competitors are. And this will make a huge drain on your resources, hiring new people who are less motivated, less qualified, etc., etc. Remote and hybrid opportunities aren't just a nice tool to have, they are a strategy to win. So, is your company turning flexibility into a competitive advantage, or is it missing the opportunity? Let me know in the comments below, and see you around.
I'm planking, and yes, this is about meetings. If every meeting felt like this, though, we'd keep them short, stay focused, and we'd definitely have a clear goal. Too often we waste time meetings with no outcomes, just talk, no traction. But time is one of the most valuable things we have at work. So let's treat it as such. Set a purpose, stick to the agenda, finish with a clear action plan. If it can be an email, let it be an email. If you really want to keep meetings efficient, try doing them like this, but I don't recommend this.
How often do you consider creating psychological safety at work? Do you do it already? Are you aware of it? Or is it new for you? In my opinion, high performance doesn't start with KPIs. It starts with this safety. Teams won't speak up when they feel judged. Nor do they when they feel that they will be singled out or punished for speaking up. Psychological safety means this: I can tell the truth here, I can ask questions, I can fail, and I still belong. You can't force people to contribute, to open up. You have to create an environment in which they want to contribute. This is what psychological safety is about. So watch your tone, give credit openly, and handle mistakes with curiosity, not with shame. This is a real litmus test for your leadership. You know what they don't tell you about working and traveling? It isn't all beach views or palm trees. Relies strongly on your organizational skills, your ability to remain flexible, as well as to manage your time efficiently. When you live on the move, balancing your clients' calls, your meetings, and your project updates becomes a real superpower that you have to learn. Another important aspect about working while traveling is that structure becomes the very important focus of your day. When you're structured and organized, you can work from wherever, but this of course requires very strong self-organization skills. Another key aspect that I already mentioned is the flexibility. Flights can be delayed, the Wi-Fi doesn't work, we've all been there, we've all seen that. So remaining flexible and especially calm helps to keep your sanity. And the third aspect that is super important is to have your intentional downtime. When your work and travel mixes, it is very easy to just forget about taking a break. This will burn you out super quickly. So having intentional downtime is a non-negotiable, and it's highly important that one takes care of that. Travel and work can absolutely go hand in hand, but you have to make sure that you find the right balance between the two of them. You have to treat it with respect, you have to make time, you have to stay flexible and remain focused, organized and structured. Then it can work. How about you? Are you interested in working on the road, or are you already working on the road? What is your experience and your key points to keep going this lifestyle? Please comment below and we'll see you in the next video.